10 unexpected tips for saving money on a tight budget. Hi there, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we will share with you some of the unexpected ways you can save even when you're on a tight budget. So if you want to know these tips, then keep on watching. What can we tell you that you don't already know about saving money on a tight budget? You don't need another source telling you to cut the cable, utilize coupons, find additional people to split living costs with, or, God forbid, acquire a side hustle. You're already busy and fatigued, but you're still determined to save more money, whether it's for debt repayment, emergency savings, IRA contributions, or anything else. Let's go a little deeper and give some money-saving ideas you might not have considered before. 1. Modify your electricity consumption. Your utility company may provide free tools for measuring your home's energy use and recommending strategies to reduce use or lower your cost. For example, if you aren't on a time-of-use plan and it is available in your area, switching to one could save you money. If you are, adjusting when you use energy-intensive equipment like laundry dryers, washers, and dishwashers can also save you money. You may opt to use solar panels to lessen your energy costs and save money. Saving money by lowering your electricity bill by limiting the quantity of energy you consume is no accident. Solar panels allow you to save money by generating a natural source of energy that may power your home and heat your pool, if you have one. Some solar panels convert 22% of their available energy into electricity. When you consider how much you pay in electricity bills each month, this is a truly astonishing figure. Imagine cutting your electricity bills in half when you fully convert to solar power. 2. Determine your eligibility for low-income utility assistance programs. The Federal Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, in collaboration with states, assists people in staying warm in the winter and cool in summer. To provide aid with heating and cooling bills, qualifications and levels of support differ by state. Some programs will even replace a malfunctioning furnace or boiler or assist you in weatherizing your home to save money on energy expenses. 3. Search YouTube before paying a professional. Some jobs are too perilous to attempt on your own. If you try to do the work yourself, you may make the situation worse or more expensive to solve. However, certain chores that we might hire someone else to do can be shockingly cheap and simple to do ourselves after watching someone else do them. From changing the air filter in your car to replacing heating element in your oven, the next time you have a problem that you'd ordinarily pay a professional to handle, try to do some YouTube research first. You might be able to save money by doing it yourself. 4. Opt for a prepaid cell phone plan. When we think of cell phone providers, most of us think of the big three: T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. However, their recurring monthly plans are costly and may offer more data, quicker speeds, and newer phone technology than you require. Switching to one of their prepaid plans may allow you to decrease your monthly price that you pay for phone services in half. Switching to a smaller carrier, such as Republic Wireless, Ting, or Mint Mobile, can also help you save money. Paying in advance for at least 3 months of service can also help. Plans get extremely affordable if you forego cellular data in favor of calling, texting, and Wi-Fi. 5. Limit yourself to one subscription. Nowadays, it appears that every company employs a subscription business model. Getting someone to sign up for and pay for a service for the rest of their lives is a terrific method to make money. That means you should do the inverse if you want to save. Which of your subscriptions do you utilize the most? Allow yourself that indulgence while eliminating the rest. There are numerous free options. You also don't have to commit to a single subscription for the entire year. You can change things up for anything that is month to month. For example, this month you get Hulu, the next month you switch it out for Netflix, and then something else the next month. 6. Purchase a bidet. If the pandemic-caused toilet paper shortage hasn't already convinced you to use a bidet in 2020, now is the moment to get one. It may not appear to be a budget-friendly option, but entry-level ones that connect to the side of your toilet seat cost about $30 to $40 on Amazon and soon pay for themselves in toilet paper and wet wipe saves. Bidets are water efficient, therefore, they will not increase your water cost. Electricity is not used in the lower-end variants. Also, reducing your use of disposable products is excellent for the environment. 7. Participate in a no-spend challenge. You may feel that pushing yourself not to spend money for a week or a month will simply result in a lot of pent-up demand. Will you not buy more groceries later if you don't buy them now? Maybe. However, you may find yourself reconsidering those purchases you put off. If you can survive a week of sipping cold water with dinner because you ran out of Coke Zero, you might be able to stop or at least reduce in half your can-a-day habit. You might find yourself not buying unneeded stuff on the spur of the moment if you're constantly doing or practicing a no-spend challenge. You can also try finding a free way to spend time with a friend. A no-spend challenge can boost your account balance whether you undertake it for a day, a week, or a month. 8. Accept help. We should all feel comfortable seeking help when we need it. Food banks, pet pantries, free farmers markets, community gardens, school supply giveaways, healthcare clinics, sliding scale mental health services, Medicaid, hospital charity programs, and other services are some things you might be able to make use of. Granted, some regions have more of these resources than others. Take advantage of any resources you have or any available to you. When your circumstances improve, you can always repay the organization's generosity by offering your time or money. 9. Don't skimp on insurance. It's very tempting to increase your deductible or reduce your coverage in order to lessen your insurance payments. But keep in mind why insurance exists. If your car is damaged, a pipe bursts in your upstairs apartment and floods you out, or a hurricane tears off your house's roof, having high insurance coverage will help you get back to normal living much faster and without jeopardizing your finances. If you have a pet, spend $20 to $50 a month on pet insurance for your furry best buddy. You'll be grateful if ever they require emergency surgery. 10. Give yourself an allowance. It's depressing to devote every cent of your earnings to basics and savings. You might end up overextending your willpower and risk putting yourself back on a shopping spree. Instead, decide how much money you'll allow yourself to spend on fun things at the start of each week, month, or pay period, within the confines of your total budget, of course. Then, you can enjoy your pleasures guilt-free. Roll over your allowance from one period to the next if you wish to save up for something bigger. A cash envelope or a separate savings account can assist you in managing your fun money and keeping it distinct from your critical spending. Some costs are nearly impossible to eliminate, but that doesn't imply they can't be reduced. Lowering your recurrent expenses, in particular, can be really beneficial because it will provide you with savings month after month, rather than just once. Also, keep in mind that saving money is a long-term aim. Don't make short-sighted judgments like reducing or eliminating insurance coverage that can cost you a lot in the long term and undermine all of your hard work. At the same time, several minor savings decisions can add up to large savings in the long run. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.